Alright, let's look at the homework 2, problem number 7. Alright, so we're going to use GeoGebra to plot the slope field for this differential equation, dy over dx equals y minus x. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we type in slope field here. Alright, so it's y minus x. Alright, so it's going to look like that. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to try to sketch a graph by hand, satisfying this initial value condition. Y of 4 equals 0. So it means that it goes through 4, 0. Alright, so maybe I'll put the 4, 0 in here. So we can just do 4, 0. Right, so we have that. Right, so we want the solution that goes through that point. Right, so let's see. I'm gonna take a picture of this, and so that I can draw on it. Hold on a sec. All right, so I'm gonna just draw a picture by hand. Let's see. So we have we're gonna have to go through here. So you can see that the flow is kind of going like this. Right? Then so I would probably draw, so in this direction it's probably more like this. Alright, this direction just following the slope, and it's coming down and maybe going something like that. Alright, then let's see, I made the picture a little bit too small, but this is going to keep on going like that probably. Alright, so this is the my guessed solution curve, and for part B we want to use this to find the value of f of negative 4. So negative 4 is back here, so I should have kept this picture a little bit larger. So here's negative 4. Then you're gonna go down here, and it's probably around there. Right, so you can see that it's probably around the negative 3-ish. Right, so that's our guess. Right, negative 3. And then we want to check it by GeoGebra. Alright, so we're going to go back and see if this is the case. Alright, so on here we're going to draw a solution curve. So we say solve ODE. Alright, then equation was dy over dx equals y minus x. Then the point would be 4, 0. Alright, then we have that. Maybe I'm gonna call this function f of x. Maybe I'll just say f of x is equal to, right? And then hit enter. Alright, so I think it's thinking. Hopefully it'll get us. Actually, might not be working. So I'm gonna do it this way. So instead of doing that, I'm going to, oh, actually it worked. Alright, so we have that. So f of x is given there, so it was just thinking. Then we just have to type in f of negative 4. Then hit enter. Alright, so you can see that the value shows up here. Alright, it's negative 3. Or you can actually just draw, say, x equals negative 3. Then try to find the intersection. That's another way to do it. Right, so you can see that the intersection is negative 3 comma negative, oh sorry, it's actually, so that's not negative 3. I meant to say x equals negative 4. So I'm gonna have to change that. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, I'm gonna change to negative 4. And then right, so intersection is negative 4 comma negative 3, so value is negative 3, which agrees with our guess right there. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.